Professional community has been my entire start with STEM Teachers NYC in the first place, and why we're here talking today. Back in, I think, 2016, I took this Intro to Standards-Based Grading class, and my fellow participants and the facilitators in that were so open to keeping the network going and keeping up a connection outside after that 3-day summer workshop ended. And so I really kept they were serious when they said, email us and reach out. And I continued to reach out with questions and for just looking for support and troubleshooting some personal experiences in my classroom. And through that network, I was able to form connections with these other STEM teachers that I really respected and had a lot to learn from. And it inspired me to keep working with this organization and keep exploring the different professional development opportunities that they offered. Manjula and Mark, who had been my teachers, said, why don't you come on board now? You've been doing this a while and you come teach this with us. And that's just been a really cool transformation that I started at an introductory level. Today, I'm the one teaching both the introductory and the advanced levels of standards-based grading. And every time I do this workshop, even though now it's been so many times, I still walk away with some more insight and some more practical ideas that I apply for the coming school year. So that all came out of this professional learning community. The individual and the collective effort has made all the impact for my own expertise and implementation of this particular practice.